MPCC President Meghachandra asserted that opposition MLAs in Manipur are prepared to resign if necessary to restore peace in state. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan, Meghachandra stated that the action shown to a minister by people of Moirang indicated the government is in serious state. He expressed solidarity to the families of victims affected by Kuki militant drone bombings and rocket attacks. Meghachandra questioned the Chief Minister's call for the unified command to be handed over to him, while no questions were raised when the same was removed from Chief Minister Biren's control on 31st of May last year. He emphasized that maintaining law and order is a constitutional responsibility for the state government. On the other hand, Meghachandra mentioned PHED Minister El Susindro's recent comments on Rahul Gandhi, stressing that listening to all perspectives is crucial for national leaders. He also pointed out that BJP is actively visiting conflict-affected areas like Churachandpur and Kangpokpi. Meghachandra continued that apart from making remarks on national leader Rahul Gandhi, PHED Minister Susildro must not forget that 5 BJP MLAs are involved among those in demands for separate administration in an attempt to disintegrate Manipur.
Darkar laidabadi MLA oibadagi aikoi loina potharaga hanasu hai haujiksu haijari aikoi mayam work in the sina santi laknanabagi amasung law and order control taunanaba darkar laire hairabadi aikoi punamak ready lai haibasi haujiksu MPCC na aikoi MLA sing adum aikoi ready taununa lairi haibase Manipur miyamda hona thamjari Sarkarna Masima Tawada opposition ki darkar lai haibado adu hairakpa matamda koi ready oiduna lai miyam ki tamokta koi kathok jagani loinana koi honorable minister Susindro PIC na haibadudi yamna childish oiba statement ni maramdi national ki party haibasidi BJP ki su Kuki ki leader su nei Paite ki leader su nei adu leader unabaduda hena mari lei kolena haibadudi kitang angang oibagi mong manwa mani adu leiriba situation sida aikoi unaba khonabadi aikoi adu gidi pamde tawad masung adumaina amuk honorable minister na phongdorabadi ngasi irang tholi base BJP ki MLA tara yauri haib simti kau bigenu